Hi, hello students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learning Academy Karnataka. I hope all are doing good and studying well for KCET examination. Students, I already made two videos on mathematics and as well as physics. I got good positive response for those two videos. I'm hoping I will get the same thing even for this video also. So, students, I want to say something as we are already last moment for the examinations. Another hardly 10 days is there. So, I request all of you to not to waste unnecessarily time. Don't roam unnecessarily. What sit at home and study according to your plan. Last moment revision plays very important role. Give more importance for the revision. Whatever the notes you have collected, whatever the formulas sheets you made. So without wasting the time, study all those information. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and share the video with your friends so that they will also get what update regarding my videos, and also they will also get information. And I want everyone you to like this video and try to watch full length video so that you will get full information. And if you skip the video, because my major intention is to give tips, particularly educational tips in between the videos, so that don't unnecessarily skip the video. I request everyone you to watch full length video. Okay, then before getting late, let's get into the video. Students, actually here I have collected few what previous year question paper. I have most important question paper I have chosen from previous year question paper. So one by one I used to explain in detail. If anybody have doubt, I will request you to what send the message through WhatsApp personally, or else you just comment in the video. I will clarify all your doubts. Okay, students, let's get in. The first question here I have chosen is the first chlorinated organic insecticide prepared is. So here the four options they are given are gemaxine, chloroform, COCl2, DDT. So here the correct answer is the first chlorinated insecticide, organic insecticide. Actually, no, most of you what know DDT. So what can you tell me the full form of DDT? Dichloro, diphenyl, dichloroethane. So here the correct option here is DDT. So the DDT is the first what organic insecticide. So let's move to second question. Here the second question is 0.48 gram of an organic compound on complete combustion produce 0.22 gram of carbon dioxide. The percentage of carbon in the given organic compound is. How you can calculate the percentage of carbon in the given organic compound? So in order to calculate percentage in this particular problem, you must know the atomic mass and molecular mass of carbon. So what is the atomic mass of carbon? So atomic mass of carbon is 12, and molecular mass. So molecular mass is so CO2. CO2, no, molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16. 16 twos are 32. So 32 plus 12 it is 44. So now you found atomic mass and as well as molecular mass. So in order to calculate percentage of carbon dioxide, here we are going to use the formula percentage of carbon is equals to 12 divided by 44 divided by weight of the carbon dioxide and as well as the weight of the given organic compound. So your weight of the carbon dioxide is 0.22 and weight of the given organic compound is 0.48. So now if you simplify this, you will get what answer. So 12 by 44 into 22 by 48 into 100. Why you should multiply it with into 100? Because we are going to calculate percentage. So 22 ones are 22 fours are. Next 12 ones are 12 fours are. So 100 by 16. 100 by 16. So 100 by 16 means approximately we will get what 12.4. The correct option here is 12.5. Understood. I hope you understood the explanation along with the formula. Here, one thing you need to remember is, so you must know atomic number and as well as molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Next, the next question is nitrogen dioxide gas is. So you should answer this question. There, as they are given four option: is it colorless neutral, or colorless acidic, brown acidic, or brown neutral? Students, as you already know, nitrogen dioxide is one of the brown acidic solution. Is one of the brown acidic solution. The here the correct option is option C. Next question: the correct decreasing order of boiling point of hydrogen halide is. Students, all you know halogen family. Halogen family is in the periodic table. You know, periodic table there are 18 groups and 7 periods. The 18 groups elements we called as halogen family. So halogen family examples are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, even astatine, out of which fluorine is the most reactive element. And you know already you know that reaction with fluorine, you have never ever made any reaction in even laboratory also, because it's really very reactive. Yes or no? So here, based on this halogen concept, they're asking you to calculate the, so you have to keep the boiling point according to the decreasing order. Decreasing order means you should keep the element which has highest boiling point. So students, as fluorine contains hydrogen bond. Fluorine has highest boiling point. Fluorine has highest boiling point. So that's the way which has the option as fluorine as first. So option 1, option 3, and option 4. So you can easily, option second is dead option. So you will never take into consideration. So option A, option C, and option D. Out of 3, you have to select the one correct option. And one more point should I wants to mention here this moment is, as the atomic number increases, their boiling point decreases. As the atomic number increases, their boiling point decreases. So next, which has the highest atomic number? Hydrogen iodide. So next, after hydrogen iodide, so iodine, bromine, chlorine. So iodine has the highest atomic number, next bromine, and next chlorine. So hence here the correct option here is option C. So hydrogen fluoride is exceptional because which has the highest boiling point because of strong hydrogen bond, and the next highest atomic number is hydrogen. So which has least atom boiling point than that of hydrogen fluoride, next hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen chloride. So hence the correct option here is option C. Next, next question is the transition element 5% present with lanthanide metal in Misch metal. Actually, this question they have chosen from D and F block elements, lanthanides and actinides. Students, here they're asking, so there is a metal called Misch metal. So Misch metal is made up of, so 95% lanthanide, and what the other 5% contains, which other what with metal what is constituents other 5%. So here the options are magnesium, iron, zinc, and cobalt, out of which the correct option here is iron. So Fe. So element Fe 5%, and 95% of lanthanide constituent Misch metal. And next question. So match the following. So these are all the what questions majorly I've chosen from previous year question paper. Actually, students, I want to say here is in board examinations, most of the students you felt what chemistry was the most difficult subject. Yes or no? But in KCET examination, you will, so chemistry is the most easiest subject. Next, after chemistry, you will feel physics easy, but mathematics you need to pay more attention. I'm again telling again and again. So mathematics is the most difficult subject, particularly in KCET examination, because even the what matrix and determinant. So whatever the question they asked in the KT what board examination, actually they will ask very easy question. In KCET types of question, no, they will ask all application types of questions. So keep that in mind. So concentrate more on mathematics, practice each and every day mathematics. Okay, here let's get into this question. So you have to match the following. Part A, they're given Zn2 plus, Cu2 plus, and Na2 plus. And part E, they're given D8 configuration colorless mu 1.73 Bohr magneton. Next, first is here related to that, they're given four options. You know, students, what is Zn2 plus? Zinc. What 2 plus in represents? So 2 plus is valence. You know, zinc atomic number is 30. So what is its electronic configuration? 3d10 4s0. What means 4s0? 4s0 is very very important. So it means that zinc does not contains any unpaired electrons. Very very important point. Understood? So zinc does not contain any unpaired electrons. You know, in that particular lesson you studied, so any unpaired electron, if any element which contain any unpaired electrons is colorless, and any other metal which has completely filled are also colorless. So then which are the elements have color? Actually half filled d orbitals possess colorless. That's keeping in mind. If you know, completely filled d orbitals possess what they does not have any color. So half filled all other d orbitals they possess color. So here first, that's the reason. So for first option is colorless, zinc is colorless. Next come to copper. So copper, uh, what is the atomic number of copper? Atomic number of copper: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper. 29. So how can you write electronic configuration of 29? Argon 3d9 4s1. 3d9 4s1. It means that what? It has one unpaired electrons. It contains one unpaired electrons. So students, you know the formula for calculating magnetic moment. What is the formula for magnetic moment? So mu is equals to square root of n into n plus 1. As copper contains one unpaired electrons, so 1 in 1 of 1 plus n plus 2, sorry, formula is square root of n into n plus 2. So 1 plus 2, I have 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 ones are 3, so square root of 3. Square root of 3 you will get approximately 1.73 bm bore magneton. So here the for correct option for Cu2 plus is mu 1.73 bore magneton. So nickel, that comes under D8 configuration. I hope you understood this question also. Next, move to next question. Next question here is the complex compounds uh, pentammonium sulfato cobalt bromide and pentammonium bromido cobalt sulfate are. So students, I used to say whenever you are going to choose an answer, always be alert. How actually they will prepare the MCQs? No. So almost in each and every question they will give two irrelevant option. Your main intention is to remove two irrelevant options. Here, so you know, in particularly coordination compounds, you study two types of isomerism. Which are those two types of isomerism? One is structural isomerism, and another one is stereoisomerism. Under structural isomerism, you have studied different types of isomerism. So coordination isomerism, ionization isomerism, coordination isomerism, ionization isomerism, hydrated isomerism. All these are studied under structural isomerism. Whereas under stereoisomerism, you have studied one is optical isomerism and one is geometrical isomerism. And you know, students, you know very well that in optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism, it has some structures. Yes or no? Cis and trans, dextrorotatory and levorotatory. So you can easily remove the two option optical isomers and geometrical isomers. Then you have only two options to select the answer. So either the answer be a coordination isomers and ionization isomers. So as this contains SO4 and Br, this comes under ionization isomers. These are all ions. Yes or no? SO4 2 minus Br minus. These are ions. No, that's all. It comes under ionization isomerism. See, as soon as see the question, you can easily eradicate geometrical and optical because these two comes under structures only. You can't, but these two maybe cannot be the answers. Yes or no? I hope you understood the question. Next, the next question here is which of the following statements are true about hexafluorido cobaltate 3 minus ion? The complex X octahedral geometry, coordination number of cobalt is 3 and oxidation state is +6. The complex is sp32 hybridized and it's a high spin complex, of course. It is one of the high spin complex. And that's the reason. So the fourth options will be there in all the four options. What will be the geometry? Of course, it's octahedral geometry also. So SYF63 minus comes under octahedral geometry. And The complex is third option. You can see sp3d2, sp3d2 count. So d2 p3 and no number means 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 6. So here see what are the ligands. So students, how to find out the ligands and central metal element. So here cobalt is the central metal element, and fluorine is a ligand. There are 6 fluorine, and that's the way it undergo sp3d2 hybridization. And here the option coordination, as I already told you that how many, so what ligands are there? There are 6 ligands. 6 ligand in the sense the coordination number should also be 6, but here they mention the coordination number is what? 3. In option 2 the coordination number is there given 3. That's the way option 2 here is wrong, all other are correct. Hence the correct option here is option number 2. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Option 2 is wrong. Next, one more question is propanone and propanol are dash. So in this question also you can easily remove the two dead option. So which are two dead option? Propanone. So propanone comes under ketone group. So ketone group is C double bond O. Ketone group propanol Al aldehyde group C double bond O H. You should know. So these are all what ketone C double bond O and aldehyde CHO. What we call all these are? We call it as a function. So easily you can choose the option. These are functional isomerism. Yes or no? So by seeing the question only, see, however they will prepare the question paper, you need not to worry. So they will prepare the question paper according to some keeping some psychological factor. They can't prepare question paper full easy, neither easy nor full difficult. And so, moderate level they will give question paper. For example, there are 60 question, no? So 20 question they will give easy, 20 moderate, and 20 hard questions. So you need not to worry. So, but at least you must plan to get above 35 to 40 plus. It will be very very helpful to get ranking in one of the college you wish to join. And one more, the last question here is the female sex hormone which is responsible for the development of secondary female characteristics and participates in the control of menstrual cycle is. Here also, Maklan, as soon as you see the question, your main intention is to first remove the two options, so that always you feel that you're going to write MCQ only for two options. Here, which are two dead options, as soon as you see the thyroxine, you can consider it a dead options. Why you can consider it as a dead option? Because these are irrelevant to concept. Yes or no? So that's the way you have to choose answer, either testosterone or estradiol. So testosterone is one of the male sex hormone, which is completely irrelevant to the female sex hormone. So hence here is the correct option is estradiol. I should know. So insulin for what purpose? So insulin is prepared by our what? Beta cells. So this major function is to control blood sugar level. Thyroxine, thyroid gland, and testosterone is a male sex hormone. So here is the option is estradiol. So these are all the questions, students, I plan to discuss. In my upcoming videos, I will discuss some more videos. I hope what you understand all the concept very well. Mm, Thank you.